10 ways to be patient in a long-distance relationship. As they say, distance makes the heart grow fonder. There are many people who at some point in their lives find themselves in a situation that is popularly labeled as a long-distance relationship. It might not be easy at first. Both of you have to get used to not seeing each other every day, but eventually, if the relationship is a strong, stable, and healthy one, the distance is merely numbers. Unfortunately for other people, relationships like this do not last long, and one common reason is that people are just not patient enough. But fortunately for you, the following 10 listed ways may help you learn how to be more patient in a long-distance relationship. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification button bell. Thanks for supporting our channel. 1. Learn how to wait. The first thing to check off the list is to learn how to wait. Train yourself to be a naturally patient person. Do not be irked when standing in line at the grocery store. Do not be annoyed when waiting for your turn at an ATM. Or do not be pissed when your order takes 2 minutes to prepare. Good things come to those who wait, so hold your horses and wait until the day you see your loved one again. 2. Do not count the time. It is important to count the days you have been together rather than the days you have been apart. Do not keep track of the time. Do not jot down the days until you see him or her again. Let time run its natural course. Looking at the calendar now and then will make you more anxious and impatient. You might be wondering to yourself, why is time so slow? Then it is highly recommended that you stop guarding your clock and let things happen. 3. Send letters the old-fashioned way. Encourage your partner to start a correspondence the old-fashioned way. There's nothing sweeter than a handwritten letter from your loved one. This can also be another way for you to train your patience. Letters take time to be written, sent, and delivered, but the moment you receive them, you can feel the love and effort poured into making them. And with this, you would have something to look forward to every other week. 4. Make use of your free time. Let this time be your me time. Make use of your free time. Take up a hobby, learn how to tap dance, take another shift at work, babysit your neighbor's dog, or do anything to keep your mind off the time. Because being alone with nothing to do will not only drag time, it will also make you miss your loved one more and make you impatient. Be productive and do not let the distance get you down. 5. Keep your cool. One must always know how to manage his or her temper, especially during a long-distance relationship. Always remember to keep your cool. If the internet is too slow and is interrupting your video date, or he or she is not returning your text message yet, count some numbers until you regain your composure. With patience comes the control of your emotions because, in this kind of relationship, there will be many times that you will have to get a hold of yourself. Bad temper goes hand in hand with being impatient, and indeed, that is not something one may want to be. 6. Have video dates. If you and your partner are more into the techie and modern side of communicating during relationships, it will not hurt to have video dates now and then or every day. Seeing each other on the blue screen may help you ease your pain or longing for not seeing your loved one. In addition, having video dates can enable you or encourage you to be more positive and have something to look forward to the next day. 7. Get a pet. If you think you are responsible enough, it may be a good idea to adopt a pet. It can be a dog, cat, fish, or even a chameleon. The important thing is that it suits your lifestyle. Having a pet can become a needed distraction from loneliness and may help you cope with the distance. Through your pet, you can give or shower the extra love from your partner to the critter, and on the brighter side, you will not be feeling lonely the next time you take a nap. 8. Plan your next time together. It never hurts to plan your next time together. Constantly talk with your partner and discuss your next vacation together. Planning and having an event to look forward to for the next few months will help you be more patient. It is the same feeling you got when you were a kid and you were waiting for Christmas to come around for you to open your gift. 9. Value each other's presence. When you get to be with each other physically, it is of utmost importance that you appreciate and value your partner's presence. Take each second you have as something precious, because by doing this, you will never take all the moments you get to have with your loved one for granted. Being appreciative can teach you to cherish your moments and make you think that these events only happen once in a while and that these happy memories are the products of one who patiently waits. 10. Learn to accept the situation. Lastly, to become patient in a long-distance relationship, one has to learn to accept the situation. If you do not fully grasp your situation in the relationship, it may be difficult for you to cope with the sudden loss of a loved one. One has to accept the fact that your partner's job is 1,000 miles away, or he or she has to finish schooling in another country. No matter what the reason is, as a loving partner, you must have a full understanding of it so that it may enable you to become patient. As the saying goes, patience is a virtue, and it is a virtue that everyone must carry within oneself. Of course, being patient does not only necessarily apply to long-distance relationships, but also all kinds of relationships with your mother, siblings, co-workers, etc. But one cannot deny that patience, or being patient, is one of the major things that hold together a relationship divided by borders and numbers. Love is not just being with someone. Love is feeling someone even if miles separate you. Wordians, please leave your comment below if you have anything to share with us. Thanks for watching our video.